In today's video, we're going to talk about reducing the waste of edge banding. That cost can really add up. Today we're talking about reducing the cost of edge banding. Some edge bandings like high gloss, super matte, embossed, these can get really expensive. So having the overage on front and the back can really add up quickly. On the Holz-Her Edgebander, we can have this calibrated, reduce this down to 0, and that way we don't have any waste. This can really add up during production of your panels. Traditionally, the bander would feed out the edge banding in front of the first pressure roller, relying on the edging to be picked up by the panel, pinched, and then proceed down the machine. This is very inconsistent, so a lot of overage is added for that, and that's where the waste comes from. On the Holz-Her Edgebander, we have a Synchro Drive. This we can put a measured amount of how much overage we have, let's say 3 millimeters, which is only the saw kerf of the blade. Therefore, I don't have any waste front and back of the panel, and this can really save us some money. To do this is simply typing in how much overage we want front and back onto the controller into our program. So at the controller, we go to our station, and we can simply put the values of how much over we want. And this will eliminate the waste, therefore saving us money.